All right, so now we are moving on to fractions, adding and subtracting fractions. So we know that a fraction is a part of a whole. For example, if I have a whole apple, I have one apple. But if I split it into parts, now we are dealing with fraction. We're dealing with parts of a whole. So when we write a fraction, we know there's a number at the top. We have a fraction bar, and then we have a number at the bottom. So the numerator is the top number, and that tells us how many parts we have. The bottom number is the denominator, and that tells us how many equal parts the item is divided into. So if we look at these four pictures below, right here, this circle or pie, we call them pie, isn't divided up in all, so it's one whole pie. When we look at this pie, it's divided into two parts. So the part that is shading in denotes the denominator, the top number. And the total parts, how many equal parts is divided into, is two, and that denotes the denominator. We move over to this one. This pie is divided into four equal parts. So we have four in the denominator, and only one part is shaded in. So that is the numerator. The top number will be one. This pie is also divided evenly into four parts, so that the four is the denominator, and three parts are shaded in, so that becomes the numerator of three. All right, go on to the next slide, and then we'll continue.